Think passive income needs money? Not anymore. Today, I'll show you 7 passive income ideas you can start with $0. Let's dive right in. Idea 1, print on demand. Upload simple t-shirt or mug designs to platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. You don't pay anything up front. The platform prints and ships when you sell. Idea 2, YouTube Shorts. You can grow a faceless YouTube channel using free tools. Just post trending shorts with voiceovers or text-to-speech. Ads and sponsorships can follow. Idea 3, affiliate marketing. Sign up for free affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. Share links in blogs, social media, or YouTube. Each sale earns you a commission. Idea 4, digital products. Create and sell ebooks, templates, or guides. You can use free tools like Canva and Gumroad to start without spending a cent. Idea 5, blogging with AI. Start a free blog using platforms like Medium. With AI tools, you can write articles fast and monetize with Medium Partner Program. Idea 6, online tutoring, skill sharing. Websites like Skillshare let you upload classes for free. If people watch your lessons, you earn money every month. Idea 7, social media content. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels can get you brand deals even with small audiences. It's free to start, just be consistent. See? You don't need money to start passive income, just creativity and consistency. Which idea will you try first? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more passive income tips.